Hello guys, welcome back from another video live with Dearly. Today guys, we're gonna do some cooking. It's not really cooking because we're not gonna cook, but I'm gonna share you one of the easiest and delicious zucchini salad. Yes, this is my family's favorite when I made the zucchini for them. Guys, this recipe it's super duper simple. You don't need a fancy fancy ingredients. Okay guys, let's start. I already washed my zucchini, so now it's time to cut it. We're not gonna peel our zucchini, and then let's just split this. See, oh, it's kind of thick here. Sorry about that, but it's okay. And then chop it. I chop it, this gets like 1 inch. Look at that. Okay guys, that's last. We have like 2 medium size of zucchini that we chop. That's very quick guys. And next, see that? Wow, this is like 1 bowl. Okay guys, in this salad guys, we're gonna need balsamic vinegar, black ground pepper, olive oil, and salt. Okay guys, the way I season my salad guys, I do it little by little. So because mostly of my cooking guys, I don't do measurement. Yeah, that's why the way I do it is just little by little. This one, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. My mouth is watering. Guys, you should give this a try because I made this zucchini salad many times. And my family love it. And 2 tablespoons too of olive oil. And by the way, guys, you can put tomatoes and onion too. It's up to you, but you can do that. And ground pepper. Not too much ground pepper. Just enough. And last but not the least is salt. Okay, and then let's mix it. After we mix this really good, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. And then after that, it's ready to eat. This is very good side dish for your fried chicken, roast beef, baked chicken. This is really, it smells so good too. I hope guys you give this a try, because you will not regret it, because this is a very, very delicious salad. And also it's very you don't need so many fancy ingredients. Oh, sorry about that. Oops, I'm gonna put it back. My table is clean. See, looks like I mix it. And also guys, after you put this in the refrigerator for 4 minutes, and then you try it, and then if you feel like, oh, I need more balsamic or salt, you can add anytime you want. That's why it's so important that when we season our food, do it little by little, so that we control our food, not the food control us. Yeah, I learned that from my mom. Actually, I'm gonna try it now. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Okay, see guys, that's so easy and quick. And then I'm gonna cover this. See? And also guys, you can put chili too if you like spicy, but me, I don't want to do it. I don't want to put, because my husband, he don't like spicy. And also I like my zucchini just like normal taste, like that. Okay guys, we're done. Isn't it so super quick? And thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope guys you give it a try, because it's super delicious. And I hope I'll see you next time for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.